My name is Valerie Lewis. I'm an intern at Pacific Northwest National Lab in the Next Generation Safeguards Initiative and the National Security Internship Program. I did my undergrad at Allegheny College in Pennsylvania. My major was International Relations and my minor was Chinese. So I ended up taking Chinese because that course there's nobody in it. So I took Chinese for a semester and absolutely loved it. Spent some time abroad in China. I went to the Monterey Institute of International Studies, and my focus there was non-proliferation and terrorism studies.
So the Next Generation Safeguards program, NGSI, is in place to address some of the gaps in our safeguards capability that has been evident across the DOE complex due to a lack of nuclear activity going on over the last 2 decades.
To attend a week-long course, and in that course they kind of teach you different things about the lab or different things about the Hanford site. And we got the experience, we went to the PEP plant, which is associated with the Hanford site, and we had to be IAEA inspectors. So they gave us the material beforehand, this is what you're looking for, this is what you want to do, and then they put us into the plant itself. And you get in there and there's pipes and everything running all over the place, and if you read about it in the book, it's not the same as actually being there and trying to wear that inspector hat and actually do it.
This allows students to come into the national laboratories and be a part of projects that are funded by the Department of Energy and the National Nuclear Security Administration. And doing so, they are getting hands-on experience in technologies and policy type of research that allows them to see some of the real challenges that we face in safeguards.
But my main project is with Garrel Coles and Texas A&M University, and we're working on correlates of sensitive technologies. And what we're trying to do is identify the technologies that a state would need that would give us signals that they're moving from a civilian nuclear program to a weapons program. My parents are Canadian, so from a very young age I was always kind of pushed to leave the country and go do other things. I worked at the IAEA in Vienna, Austria, and then from there I was able to travel all across Europe. I've been to Spain, France, Hungary, Czech Republic. I also was fortunate to spend a semester in China, and I also traveled to Australia. The internship program here I think is really good because the mentors, it's not so much about a hand-holding thing. Sometimes they're there to really show you what to do, and other times they're there to say, you know, here's the work, you go and do it. So you're given a lot more responsibility and it's not just for like a paper at the end, you're actually producing a product that is going to make a difference in your field. That's one of the greatest things about the internship programs here is you have all of the facilities that you studied for years and years, and you actually get to go to them and you get to participate in inspections and you get to see where the problems are for non-proliferation. You're actually in the facility itself. It's such a cool experience.